This is Earth.
What it's called a
7.2.
Dialing 911. We are on fire. We are flooding. We are breaking. Every minute was a forest with the size of 20 football fields. Climate refugees, vanishing species, and oceans rising. And yet, no one's picking up the call. Carbon is choking our future. But there is still time. There is still hope. One voice sparks a million. One choice can save the world. Answer the call. Reduce, reuse, rebuild. Share your action. Join the movement.